first ever investigation in Antarctica. Destination Truth, an original series, all new tonight at 9, only on Sci-Fi. The Fact or Fake team is starting this season with a bang.
You're not going to believe this.
With an investigation into the historic Battle of L.A.
I've never seen anything like that before. They're trying to hide.
Fact or Fake, an all-new season, premieres tomorrow at 10, only on Sci-Fi.
Kids love to mimic their role models. Make sure you're one of them. The world has changed. Parenting hasn't.
If you got worries, then you're like me. Don't worry now. I won't hurt you. And if you got worries, then you're like me. Don't worry now. I won't desert you.
When it comes to the things you can do, nothing to chance. Travelers, insurance, call or click now for an agent or quote. Insidious, starting with 13.
Stay 3 separate times and earn a free night. It should be easy. They're the biggest hotel family. You see, with 3 types, you can always find the one that's right for your trip. And since each hotel is independently owned, there will always be someone there who cares and rewards you for your loyalty. Best Western, the world's biggest hotel family.
Macy's is giving somebody $1 million makeover. We're down to 8 contestants. Now we need you to help us choose the winner on Facebook. You could even win a $500 Macy's gift card. Macy's $1 Million Makeover. Vote now at facebook.com/Macy's.
I'm Epic Win.
Divide!
I push to limit. Motorek TV. Like 8,000 shows on choice. At no extra charge.
Is your computer running slowly? Thinking about buying a new one? Don't waste your money. Your computer could be infected with spyware, malware, viruses, or you could be experiencing registry errors, spam, and pop-ups. With new technology, you no longer need a technician to come to your home.